Hi, Karen. Hi. I miss you. So, I just watched your other video today, and I have company over. And we're being awesome. And we went to the zoo today. Yeah, that's what we did, didn't we?
Yeah.
We did?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
we did.
Okay, so we went to the zoo. I saw the monkey. There was like... And then there was this one that had the baby that was crawling on its head, sucking on its nipple. That made me say, ow. Anyways, so... Oh, tell the family I said hi. And called her on the phone and she touched herself. Touched herself. She touched herself. Okay, enough singing. Yeah, tell the family I said hi, and tell all the kitties I said hi, and hopefully I get to see them soon, and hopefully I get to meet DJ, because you said that we went to school with him back in Tomahawk, but I don't remember. Ooh, underwear.
Yeah, sorry. That just go in my throat.
Alrighty, so, there is more to this video that I will show you, maybe, if you're lucky. I don't know what else to say. So bye, for now.
When you were living here in when we were in middle school, and if you don't remember this song, I'm seriously gonna punch you in the face. So please, cheer or something, even though I can't see you through a freaking camera. But okay, listen to the song. Ready?
It's like just the other day that we hooked up. I smoked you up. From that moment on, I knew you were the one. I saw that. I was about anything. Baby, you hang up. No, you hang up. On 3, hang up. How you gonna up and leave me now? You're not singing how you gonna act like that. Change it up. How you gonna act like that? How you gonna up that? We don't be making love, you know we be tearing it up. How you gonna trip? How can you forget? Hi, I'm Megan. You said I look like Caitlyn. I don't know if you remember that. Yeah, Krista's pretty weird. Okay. Like I said. Anyways, how's your day? Mine's pretty dandy. I saw penguins today. We did, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
I saw a giraffe, and it tried to kiss me. Right?
It did.
It did.
Can I kiss you?
Yeah, right here. No, don't come near me! And I think I have an eye booger. It's nice outside. It's like super nice outside actually. I like this weather. You know it's gonna be 5:57. Did you know that? Yeah. 5:57 p.m. And Krista's a whore, not a whore like she is. But you know. You are so weird. I just realized, why do you have a teddy bear on your wall?
It's my Valentine's gift from Tiffany.
This year?
Yep. I bought her for the same exact one.
Get away from me. Hey, Karen. Eat fresh. Stop it! That's what I said. you enjoy the next little clip that we made for you.
My bangs, my face.
Do you remember that? Okay. Next video.